A lot of people have been asking me, what even is it? Like, what will we be doing? So people who have taken it before have said it's sort of like an extension of their physical therapy that they've already been doing, or maybe they're starting this while they're waiting to get into a physical therapy appointment. It's like the bridge between rehab physical therapy type exercises into a more exercise fitness lens. What are the exercises like? If you are already familiar with movement, if you've been to yoga, Pilates, strength training, this won't look too different. For example, you'll see cat-cow, you'll see a downward dog, you'll see some planks, you'll see squats, you'll see toe taps. However, we approach them in a really different way with a different lens. Professional dancers and movement teachers participate in these programs, and even they have said they've discovered new things, they've discovered new alignment patterns or compensation patterns or new ways to approach an exercise that they didn't have before. That being said, there could also be things that are totally new for you, particularly how everything relates to core and pelvic floor function. Plus, everything's totally safe for you if you're experiencing symptoms of pelvic floor dysfunction like diastasis, organ prolapse, incontinence of any kind. If you have any questions about your specific situation, just send me a DM.